My name is Charlie McCoy. I'm the founder of Artisan Barber, and today we're giving you a review of the Andis Master Cordless Lithium-Ion Clipper. Now this clipper has 90 minutes of runtime, a powerful motor that won't drag or stall, carbon steel cutting blades, and it's cordless.
Using the Andis Cordless Master is like easy. I mean, the battery life is great. It's not heavy at all, but I'm also not tripping over myself when I'm doing a haircut. It's good. I mean, the cutting power is strong. Definitely much stronger than most machines with cords. When it comes to Andis Master with the sound, I mean, at the end of the day, when you're at a barbershop, the salon or anything like that, the music is blasting anyways. So to me, it's not really that bad at all. It's not something that's distracting or, you know, interrupting or whatever.